Let's start by listening to a short conversation between Jim and Maria. Pay attention to the verbs in bold.
Hey Maria, our class will be cleaning up the beaches on the East Coast this weekend.
Yes, our form teacher is going to be there too. Do you think that the Minister of the Environment will be visiting us during the event?
In this conversation, Jim and Maria use the future continuous tense. The verbs in bold are in the future continuous tense. Do you know when we use this tense? Let us take as example the sentence, "Our class will be cleaning up the beaches on the East Coast this weekend." This weekend indicates that the action will be taking place in the future, and cleaning up the beaches is an action that will take place over a period of time. Maybe the students will be cleaning up the beaches for 2 or 3 hours. The future continuous tense, therefore, is used for an action that will occur in the future and that is expected to continue over a period of time. Let us look at another example. Do you think that the Minister of the Environment will be visiting us during the event? Here, it is expected that the visit of the Minister will take place during the weekend, that is, in the future, and also that this visit will last for some time. That's why the future continuous tense is used. Now, let us look at how we form the future continuous tense. Let us take the verb meeting as used in this sentence. We will be meeting during the weekend. We have will plus be plus meeting. So, to form the future continuous tense, first we use will. Will indicates that the action will take place in the future. Secondly, we add be, followed by the present participle of the main verb. The present participle indicates that the action is ongoing, that is, it is continuing. Note that the present participle of a verb is formed by adding ing to the main verb. For example, in our sentence, meeting is the verb meet with ing added to it. So remember, we form the future continuous tense using will plus be plus the present participle of the main verb. Do you think this is the only way to form this tense? Let's see. We are going to be participating in the event next week. Here is an example of a sentence about an ongoing future action. It contains this form: are going to be participating. So, another way to form the future continuous tense is by using am, is, or are, followed by going to be and the present participle of the main verb, that is, with the main verb ending in ing. Let's practice by filling in the blank spaces using the future continuous tense. The conversation between Jim and Maria goes on. Think about it and use the first form of the future continuous tense that you learned in this lesson. Let's listen.
Well, if he does, the media will be covering the event.
Correct. Will be covering is the right answer. We have used will plus be plus the present participle covering. We may also use is going to be covering. Is plus going to be plus covering. Let's work on a second example. Try using going to be for this one.
How exciting! I hope that I am going to be meeting some famous journalists.
Well done. I'm going to be meeting. We have used am plus going to be plus the present participle meeting. We may also use will be meeting. Will plus be plus meeting. One last example. Think of the answer.
From what I heard, we will be writing about the event in the monthly newsletter.
Brilliant. Will be writing. We have used will plus be plus writing. We may also use are going to be writing. Are plus going to be plus writing. You can practice more on the future continuous tense by doing activity 7b on page 38 of your grade 7 textbook. Note that this video is available on the SSP website. You can see it over again. To end this lesson, let's do a recap. The future continuous tense is used for an action that will occur in the future and that is expected to continue over a period of time. We have also looked at two ways to form this tense. We can use will plus be plus present participle of the main verb. Some examples: will be cleaning, will be joining. The other way to form the future continuous tense is by using am, is or are plus going to be plus present participle of the main verb. Examples: is going to be participating, are going to be preparing. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.